Dr. Coates, I've heard other people talk about her that don't even have never been there. They've heard about how wonderful she is with people. And when you get a reputation about how wonderful you with people that don't even need hearing aids, that has to be something good about it.
I've really never walked into a doctor's office like this before, where everybody's so helpful and just happy to be at work.
Our patients comment all the time about how welcoming and friendly our staff is, and that's done on purpose. You have to hire people who love people.
So when a patient comes in and we start with the diagnostic testing, that's kind of where the science comes in.
So we do comprehensive hearing evaluations.
We have a soundproof booth to be able to get an accurate hearing test.
Hearing aid fittings, hearing aid repairs.
Yeah, I mean, hearing aid treatment has come a long way over the years, even in the last few years. The devices now will process out quite a bit of background noise, more than they used to. So we're seeing that patients are now being able to be involved more in their day-to-day activities than they ever could before.
If there's anything in audiology, it's available here.
Our slogan is, we listen, you hear. The technology is one thing, but the service is what we focus on. So we spend about an hour to 90 minutes with each new patient going over their histories, and then spending a good amount of time on the diagnostics and making sure that the patient understands their hearing loss and the recommended treatment plan, and that they agree to that, because they have individual needs, individual goals with treatment and how it's affecting their life.
I see Dr. Coates as a real professional person. From the first time she touched my ears, I knew she knew what she was doing. But she understands what it's like to not be able to hear.
She realized that she had hearing loss during her undergrad. I found out a few months after we started dating that I had hearing loss. And so when patients come in, we can talk to them and say, we understand. We understand what it means to kind of pull back from a conversation a little bit, because you don't want to have to ask someone to repeat themselves, or you don't want to feel like you're missing something.
To me, trust is when somebody does what they say they're going to do, and I trust her totally.
I'm sorry, but she's a wonderful woman, and this whole clinic is wonderful people.
No, I just hope people won't wait as long as I did. Just go ahead and do it, and you'll realize what you've been missing.